again as if he was your best friend in the entire universe. Please welcome Jorge on the Pissed Off Poet!
Thanks a lot, everyone. Hi, my name is Rich Hardacre. I am the Pissed Off Poet, and I'm from Detroit. This is one of my rants. This is called Corporate Slave. I don't want to be a corporate slave, digging myself into an early grave, working for others while they get rich, get fucking drunk, sit around and bitch about what my life could have been. Now, if that's your life, I don't mean to offend, but you work for a company that don't give a fuck. They make us these products and straight fuck us up. Now, if you don't want to believe me, that's okay. Just smoke another cigarette. Take a Vicodin for your pain. Go on a diet. Take some supplements. Here's some Viagra if your dick goes limp. Get some breast implants if you don't like who you are. Just a few side effects, a couple little scars. That's why I don't want to be a corporate slave, slaving away for minimum wage, working for a company not giving a fuck, making products that straight fuck us up. Now look at the tires that they put on those trucks that caused all the rollovers just to save a few bucks. What about the hamburger that was tainted with retardant, and then the government covered it up saying no, it wasn't? What about the cribs that collapse on your kids? Who really knows what causes SIDS? What about the lighters that explode in your face or the viruses popping up all over the place? That's why I don't want to be a corporate slave, working to death every fucking day for a company just doesn't give a fuck as they make products that straight fuck me up. Now look at the alcohol that they sell to the knaves that turn the Indians into slaves. What about the furnaces that explode in your house, or the mouse traps that can't even catch a mouse? What about the Ritalin that they just hand to your kids, or the buildings that collapse from the lowest bids? What about the cars that just explode? And all the car companies fucking know, but they won't do a recall, it's cheaper to sue? They'd rather just kill me and you? That's why I don't want to be a corporate slave, killing myself just to get paid from a company that just doesn't fucking care, that after you work for them for 20 years, they try to screw you out of your pension by moving their company out of our nation, or once you start to make too much, they fire you and hire a bunch of people to work for a lesser wage, no benefits, over time, to be paid a brand new crop of corporate slaves. That's why I don't want to be a corporate slave, slaving away for minimum wage, working to death every fucking day, digging myself into an early grave and killing myself just to fucking get paid.